So you're about to go on leave and you want to let people know that you are away and what they can do to get in touch with you or to solve their problem whilst you're away, or perhaps just let them know when you're going to be back. So you need an away message. I'm just going to come down over to the settings up here. Then I'm looking for the automatic reply settings. So I can just type in reply and we can see we've got automatic replies. So I'm just going to click on that one. And here, if we're going to turn it on, now we can set this in advance and have it only run during a particular time and date. So for example, you might put it on in Christmas Eve and then turn it off on New Year's Day. So here I've got a message. This is an old one. I can update it, but thank you for getting in touch. I'm working from overseas during these dates. I will be working and some of my responses will be delayed. Thank you for a request. Now, if you like, what you could do is send a bunch of links to like a knowledge base, or maybe give them some alternative contacts or some links to some FAQs on the website, or something that's going to help you to answer questions when you're not there. Make sure you hit subscribe, give us a like, and put a comment and let us know what you thought. Now, depending on how well you use your contact list, you can have this send a message only to your contacts, in which case you can provide a separate message there. Now, the problem with that is that if most people just have things come in and then they don't actively manage their contacts, they're just kind of, when they reply, and that's it. But if you're actively saving people in contacts, then that's just going to mean that your automatic reply message doesn't go to those sales and marketing general approaches that come in. So it might only be to people that you know, like, and trust, and that you actually message on a regular basis. So that's it. You should definitely watch the next video.